In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GPU acceleration in Cinema 4D with Redshift. If you want faster renders and smoother previews, tapping into your graphics card is the way to go. Redshift is a GPU accelerated renderer, so the first thing you need to do is make sure Cinema 4D is actually using it. Open your render settings and set the renderer to Redshift. You'll know it's active when the Redshift options appear in your render settings panel, and your viewport can use Redshift's interactive preview. Next, tell Redshift exactly which GPU to use. Go to Edit, Preferences, then navigate to Redshift and open the System section. Here you'll see your available GPUs. Select the GPU you want Redshift to use. If you have more than one, prioritize the most powerful card or the one with the most VRAM, as that typically yields better performance and stability with complex scenes. If your system feels sluggish while working, consider leaving one GPU dedicated to display and assigning the other to Redshift, so your interface stays responsive during heavy renders. Once your GPU is set, you can speed up rendering by fine-tuning Redshift's unified sampling. Unified sampling controls how many samples Redshift takes per pixel, balancing noise and speed. Start by setting reasonable minimum and maximum samples, then adjust the adaptive threshold to manage noise. A higher threshold speeds up rendering but can introduce grain, while a lower threshold cleans up noise at the cost of time. Make small changes and do quick test renders to find the sweet spot for your scene, since detailed materials, depth of field, and motion blur usually need more samples. You can also lower certain render settings to gain extra speed. Reducing anti-aliasing intensity helps keep edges cleaner without oversampling the whole frame. For global illumination, consider lowering the overall GI quality or the number of bounces if your scene allows it. Fewer bounces and lower GI samples can dramatically cut render times, especially in scenes that aren't heavily dependent on indirect light. The goal is to reduce noise enough to look good while avoiding costly oversampling. Finally, make sure your hardware is up to the task. Redshift performs best with a compatible modern GPU and up-to-date drivers. More VRAM helps with large textures, high-resolution renders, and complex geometry. Good cooling and power delivery also keep performance consistent during long renders. With your renderer set to Redshift, your GPU selected in Preferences, and sampling and quality tuned, you'll get faster, more efficient renders without sacrificing the look you want.